Hi, welcome to my new studio. It has been a really long time since I've been here on the YouTube, and I'm so glad to see you again. I have done a lot of work and I want to show you what I did. So, welcome to this studio vlog that I made for you. And I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you again really soon. This will just be a short video because, well, I'm kind of nervous to make new videos, but I will be getting to make more videos for you. I hope you enjoy watching the new surroundings that I'm in, and see you again really soon. Enjoy this video. Bye bye. If you've been here before, you've seen my old art room. And from this place, it's just a short indoor walk towards the stairs toward my new art room. I'm going to take you through what we have renovated over these past months. I'm not going to tell you everything that you see because, well, it speaks for itself, I think, but perhaps it's nice to see the old, and this is as far as I've gotten now. A huge masterboard that I am doing with all the old books on my wall and on my door. A little kitchenette where I can make some coffee and tea and do some cleaning of my brushes. And this is the old situation of my storage room. Yes, I have a storage room now. And these cupboards were left by the old tenants. And behind these doors is a little attic for even more storage. So I need to be really careful not to start hoarding even more stuff, because that would be really possible in this situation. But as you can see, my stuff is in here and I still have some blank areas. I want to have my printer in here, and I have my old clothes in here when I do painting or just, clothes that can get dirty. And I have my toolkit and my sewing machines in here, things that I don't need all the time. And let's head back, because that green door is not the only way into my art room. This door on the left is also my door, and this was the before situation. This was a meeting room with really high ceilings but no doors leading into the other part, and that's something that we had the builders do. And now you can see what I made of this room. I turned it into a sewing room and a library. I did not buy many new things, but I did go to IKEA to get these Ivar shelves, and I am so happy. All my books, all my creative books are in here now. They have been in storage for almost 7 years. I did not have room in my old studio for many books, and this is the part that it leads into now. And this is what I did to it. I bought these old doors in a salvage yard, and now this is a cozy sitting nook for my doggy Wolfie. Hi, sweetie. And to do embroidery and to read a book, or even what I'm doing now. I am laying on this daybed and doing a voiceover. I have gathered all these things secondhand, apart from the lamp that you just saw there that came from IKEA, but everything else is secondhand. And I have a little something here just in the corner, and a new project that I did. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably also told me what I should do extra on this little piece. And now for the main studio. This was the before, just an office space, empty and nothing much to it. And this is what I did to it. The shelves there are on an antique washing rack that my hubby built shelves for me for. I can't put much in there, but it's a beautiful display area, I think. I done chalkboard paint on the door there, and I have a coat rack for my aprons and some vests if it's getting colder. And now the most beautiful part of my art room, I think, is this 4-meter long table. It is constructed of an old table that I already had, and just 2 doors piled on top of each other on some wooden frames from IKEA. As you can see, I have used and reused all kinds of materials that I already had or that were gifted to me. Also this office chair that you see there was a gift from the old tenants, and I really like it. I've done this painting on the glass on the window because the window is leaking and it's horrible and you can't see through it. So I just did something to it. I have opened up all my cupboards in here so that I have open shelves and I can see all the materials that I need for art journaling or for junk journal making. And with this, I finished the tour of my new art room. I will leave you with some photos that I made along the way while we were renovating. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again really soon. If you like my channel, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you so much for being here, for being so patient with me to wait all this while for me to make a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you again. Bye bye for now.